Artemis 2 crew is arriving back at San Diego, and they're going to welcome live from the Doomsday plane. The Artemis 2 crew is arriving on a NASA helicopter into San Diego City, and they will be boarding a NASA jet on the way to Houston. They are on this helicopter right now. That plane you see is the NASA jet that we boarded. Here we have touchdown. The NASA crew has just touched down safely. And it's shutting down its engines right now. Don't know if you can see it, but the engines are shutting down the rotors. That's the flight they will be boarding to Houston. They will be off-boarding the helicopter. They'll be taking that jet to Houston. It's some NASA jet, NASA Learjet. You can see it's labeled NASA. The Secretary of NASA travels on that, and it's also used for tracking the planes. In fact, this was used to watch the rocket. A few minutes it landed, and it will be taking them back to Houston. It has space and also cameras in it. It watched the radar. It watched the rockets. It watched the rockets landing, and now it'll be transporting them back to Houston, the Space Center in Houston, for something they're going to be doing there. Anyway, I'm Elijah Anderson, Secretary of Advanced Radar Systems. I'm about to touch down in French Polynesia and fall to stay informed. Thank you. Thank you.